Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can update your address on Stockx. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and log into your account. So I have done that already. Then click on your profile picture, which is going to be located right over here. Now as for your address, you could go to your selling section. So simply just click on your selling section as you'll be seeing here. I clicked on button by mistake, so click on the selling section, and from there what you will need to do is to actually change it from this area. So let's just wait for the site to load, and here you go. So this is your address, this is add a shipping address. So this is what you will need to actually save. So simply go here and put the informations that are necessary. So for the first time it will be empty. As you can see, this is for me, it's empty. So first name, last name, here the country, and then here you can put the address, city, state, postal code, and phone number. So once you fill all of these informations, you can click on next, and this will save it for you. Now after that, you can come back whenever you want and basically can edit it. So it doesn't really need to be permanent. Of course, you will change your location sometimes for certain reason. You might change where you live. So always you'll have this option to change the location or the shipping address for yourself. So simply just go here, add the shipping address, and literally just change the old one that you had. So for example, you change the country, you can change the country from here. Put the address, the new one here, city, state, region, postal code, and the phone number. And once you have filled everything correctly, click on next or save, and this will save the new update that you have made. So it's very simple and easy, nothing that complicated to be honest about it. And yeah, that's completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us beautiful comments. And if you do have any more questions about Stockx and you want us to make more videos about it, let us know in the comment section. And see you guys in the upcoming videos.